Hello, let's make my hair together. So the first thing I will be doing is washing my hair. Let me give you two tips. Tip number one, wash your hair in sections. It's like a bunch of brooms. It's easier to break one twig than it is to break the whole bunch. And all of the manipulation that is going to happen when you're washing can be reduced if you put your hair together because your hair is weakest when it is wet. So put your hair in sections. Number two, detangle before you get into the shower. So 4 sections and I'm off. I'm back and I'm using this t-shirt to soak up water because it is a good fabric. Your towel most of the time is not a good fabric. That being said, let's go wash my extensions, guys. Do not be like me that had to learn this after scalp irritation. Take off all of that factory settings off of your attachment or your weaves. Please wash. Wash. Some people use acid vinegar because, look at this water. Wash your extensions, guys. Ooh, is the length for me. Okay, this is me detangling after my hair has been soaked up by that t-shirt. This is me also applying a lot of oil. Guys, you want to prep your hair before you run a comb through that hair, please. These are the little things that just help you retain length. Anyway, let's dry. All dried and it's about to go down. First, I'm trying to get a perfect center part, which is impossible because I have something called a moving scalp. Look, see. Anyway, it wasn't centered at the end of the day, but it didn't matter because I was using a closure. So again, I'm going into 4 parts, not equal this time, more like front and back. So I'm just putting all of that away and starting with the first side. So I'm going to start by making the plaits that are needed, and this is me trying to cut the desired section for the first plait. And then we braid that down. The second plait, this time around I will be taking the end or whatever, the ends from the first plait and joining it with the second plait. As I cut the third section for the third plait, I decided that 3 was enough for the front. And I do the same on the other side. Here we go, joining the first and second hands together. And here's the third, and the front is all done. I don't know why I'm singing, seriously. I don't know what I was doing here either. But hey, one thing about me is I will wear a ponytail 90% of the time. And so that is what this round plait is for. We join that together and let's do the rest of the all back. Just check in. Now I do not leave it to chance that I would get a braid to break my mid part, so that is the first thing I am doing. We'll braid that down. We do the rest of the first side. This is what we have. We do the second side. A little bit of the back action. Started wondering exactly what I was doing with my life. My hair is longer than the last time I tried this, so forgive me for starting to wonder what I was doing, because I had been here for like 2 hours at this point, guys. I mean, it was the filming that made it more stressful, really. But hey, anything for content, anything for you. So please go ahead and hit that like button. And now it's time to put on the closure. What you want to do is grab another needle and pin down one end or one side of the closure. That's if you're doing this by yourself, which you probably should not be doing. But hey, you can try it. It's fun. And then you can start sewing down the other side. But now this checking, the thing was not centered. I had to lose it and do it again. That's one thing. But hey, you guys don't need to know that. Try to do a double knot every time, just so that it is firm and doesn't come out. We sew that round and round and round we go. So the closure is all done. Seriously, the closure is like the craziest part. Once that part is out of the way, you're good. So, time for the bundles. Now here's like a quick tutorial on how to do a knot with your thread in one sweep of your hand. You just want to wrap it around your finger and pull. I mean, I hope you get it, but yeah, that is it. So you want to go from one here to the other here. Your back accent knowledge would be great, so I'll just type it out. Eti ni momin. So don't forget to keep doing knots just to make sure that your sewing is firm and your hair lasts as long as you would like it to last. You don't want those thread cutting after a week or after 2 weeks. So yeah, we are, and the minute I flipped over this hair, I was singing hallelujah, guys. So here's that ponytail I was talking about. So you can flip your hair up and not be bothered about what is showing underneath. Apologies for the switch in the camera quality because I had to change my phones when my battery died. Again, like this video, please. Like, and subscribe. And guess how many hours it took me? So leave a comment in the comment section. I mean, where else do people leave comments?